Hey, what's up? I'm Alberto, aka Beto. You guys can call me Beto or Alberto or Albert or Al or Bertito or Berrito. I think I eat burrito sometimes. I'm hungry. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna start rapping I'm gonna start rapping out of my head. Whatever I'm gonna say, I'm gonna start rapping. Okay? The tongue I woke. I don't know why, but I'm gonna start rapping. Can't be start clapping. I be start tapping, ding, ring, bing, ding, ding, do. I don't know. I was just random. Like, what the fuck? What is she looking at? But anyway, yeah. I'm gonna start rapping right now. Every time I go to sleep, I only think of you. Always been my dream that I only give you. That mind never go away. Every time I knew that we're gonna one way. Every time I think about it, been a long day. Make it feel like I'm on away. Never come back because we didn't last long. Even since you were gone, my life's so amazing. Now I'm getting crazy. Just let me know I'll never be lazy. Make it feel like I'm done in the Navy. Cause it's something that you really care about you. But please don't tell me that you really don't care about you. Cause last time I took it at the fair, there's a smile at the air that I took the feet my way. That you really took us right away. Cause last time I told you I'ma take you over there. But this time you're gone, don't know where you at. Hope you still remember me. Cause my life is without you. Every time I get a heartbeat, feeling like a fire, burn a lot of heat. When the time in year, gotta fix your own fear. But this shit will never disappear. Like it's your loved one die or you hear them lie. Just wanna cry all night. But my life is all up and down, just like now. Feeling like it's so loud when you hear the storm cloud. You don't know what you do. Feel like everybody being rude, but hey, dude, don't make it be rude. Cause last time I got so crazy, feeling so hazy, making me die in the Navy. Seeing people throwing this shit in my grave. Don't know how. Yeah. I really, I really.